This Makita 14 inches cutoff saw is a metal cutting solution built for light gauge metal stud and strut pipe. All thread, conduit, tubing, rebar, and more. This Makita features an extra large spark guard and a tool-less flange removal for faster blade changes and ease of use. The 15-amp motor delivers 3,800 RPM for the most demanding metal cutting application. It is engineered to cut up to 5 inches round stock, 4 and 11/16 inches square tube, and 4 inches by 7/5/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches by 9 1/8 inches rectangular tube. It also features 2 tool-less adjustment features, including the fence 45 degrees right or left and vice adjustment for increased productivity. This Makita weighs only 37.9 pounds with a locking pin that secures the cutting head in the down position for easy transport and storage. Additional features include a large ergonomic handle and a 2-stage lock-off power button. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful 15-amp motor delivers 3,800 RPM for superior performance and durability. Number 2. Tool-less flange removal for quick and easy blade and wheel changes. Number 3. Extra large spark guard captures and deflects debris away from the surrounding area. Number 4. Large cutting capacity. Cuts up to 5 inches round and 4 inches by 7/5/8 inches rectangular. Number 5. Tool-less fence adjustment up to 45 degrees for faster and more accurate angle cuts. Adjust to 3 locations for various material sizes, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.